What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, good morning and welcome back to yet another update on Ethereum. Yesterday we covered it too. Yesterday I stuck to my guns and I said that this was still in my opinion going to be the top here at 1670, which proved out to be the top. To be honest, I mean, we had an even bigger crash than I expected. We kind of stayed up here at this level, but we didn't find any support at 1560. We immediately dropped down to this 1500 level, all right, which is the top of this big level between 1500 and 1400. So that is where we are at right now. First thing I want to notify you about, I mean, Ethereum hasn't even made a lower low ever since we dropped in the middle of August. It's actually, you could consider it a higher low from that level here around 1420. I still think we're going down to 1400, but it is very important to realize that if you compare Ethereum with Bitcoin right now, I mean, if you would put the charts on top of each other, where Bitcoin is right now, Bitcoin would be right here at around 1,000. All right, so Ethereum is still, compared to those charts, which is always a difficult thing to do, right? I mean, you cannot really compare charts with each other. But Ethereum is still like 50% higher than Bitcoin. I mean, you can also just like this for Bitcoin. After this drop, Bitcoin was at around 20,000, all right, and we have now dropped down to 19,000. And this was already, Ethereum right here was already higher. Maybe the best way to really compare it, now that I think about it, is that right now Ethereum is at the same levels we were at like the 20th of July and stuff. All right, so the 20th of July, Ethereum was also at 1500. Well, I can assure you that Bitcoin around the 20th of July was around 23,000 or something. Now I cannot assure you, but yeah, yes, it was around 23,000. See, so that really shows how much more bullish Ethereum is than Bitcoin. And to me, that's because of two things. First of all, just the development in the market. I think compared to Bitcoin, Ethereum is going to grow. But apart from that, also obviously the merge, which has brought a lot of investors to Ethereum. And I still think we're going to get some sort of a rally because of the merge. The merge is in like 8 days, I believe, right now. Yeah, so almost almost 8 days, a little bit less. Volume has gone up for Ethereum too. It's really high right now. It's at 11.5% of the market cap too. But if we take a look at the analysis, if we take a look at the chart on the short term for Ethereum, as I said, I am expecting us to drop down a little bit further. Basically that could be very quick, like tomorrow. If it's not tomorrow, we'll probably consolidate up here for a little bit longer. And then somewhere within this week drop down to 1400. And then 1400 I think is going to hold. And I think we could even hold 1400 until the merge, after which I think we would get some sort of a rally. But predicting how big that rally is going to be and where that rally will take us right now is just too early, because it really depends on a lot of market circumstances, but also on the price action we get before the merge, right? So yeah, that's my take right now on Ethereum. If you do have any questions left, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care today. Bye.